A shocking case of abuse inside the ashram in Pune's Wagoli area has come to light. Day to day, the updates and the follow up are coming from the police. Even the self styled godman Radha Mohan Mishra, with his associates and 6 women followers in the connection with the case. According to the police, the victim had been living in the ashram since 2013. During the investigation, police found that Mishra allegedly took advantage of the family's faith and convinced them that he was a divine figure. He is accused of repeatedly sexting the young woman over several years. Police said the women followers also played an active role in the abuse. Whenever the victim tried to not to answer, the woman allegedly forced her into Mishra's room. She was also kept against her and will be subjected to severe. The victim told police that she was beaten with wooden sticks, given electric shocks on her private parts, with a taser gun, and burned with the candles. Investigators are also finding out that she was allegedly shown videos before the assault and was given injections so that she could not resist. According to the police, Mishra's followers believe that the beatings given by him were a form of blessing or prasad and helping him to carry out of the abuse. The 6 women accused have approached the Bombay High Court challenging their arrest. During the hearing, State Chief Public Prosecutor told the court that the women had an active and serious role in the alleged crimes. The prosecution argued that the case is very serious and has affected the society. The next hearing is in the matter that is to be scheduled for Monday. Meanwhile, Mishra and the other accused remain in the police custody near the Wagoli police area, continuing their investigations and further and also looking into the other activities linked to the ashram. As we have seen many follow ups coming from the Radha Mohan Mishra's case related to Mind Report book, and now he was giving a lots of torture for the woman with beating with the sticks, candles, and other types of assaults were also being taken place. Right now, the entire process is in the investigation, and we have to see what further outcomes will come out from this investigation. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.